We're actually at Sky's house. We fell asleep at Sky's house. Sky lives really close to downtown. Pretty.
Me too.
Can I ask you that? Did we learn
That
about
experiment?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, you walk the
elevator
elevator and you face
experiment.
the other way.
yeah.
Don't look at me. Go to the
Jewel got
beach.
fucking like 27 or 36.
We're going to the beach.
Chicago.
We're gonna play some frisbee.
I think it'll be like the bigger one there.
All right, first time feeling the sand.
Dude, I do know a couple kids.
Dude, it's kind of nice. Yo, that's China, right? Oh, the Pacific Ocean. Wow, it kind of looks like Lake Michigan, but bigger. Oh, it is kind of smelly here. It's gonna be warm. It's gonna be warm. It's gonna be warm. Let's see. Oh, it's freezing. God, it's really cold. I can swim in it. Run! Oh, it just drops. Absolutely pathetic. Just chuck it like over there, or wait, I don't know. You kind of suck at frisbee anyways. What? No! No! Hey! Alright, that one sucked. My hat! Oh, no. Oh. Hey.
He got it. If it makes it, I'll go get it.
I'm gonna make this frisbee into that trash can over there.
It's not even.
And if I make it, Callan has to go get it. And if I don't make it, I have to go get it. And if I hit somebody on a bike, Callan has to go get it.
It's a fat L there, champ. Hey, champ.
I'm back. Water? Water! 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 Oh! Ah, frick. Dude, just totally hit my head.
Looks amazing.
Oh
but
my
is that
lordy!
pineapple?
It's pineapple.
Can I have that?
All of it?
No, just that one piece.
Yeah. Holy moly.
Look at the rest of the plane.
What the heck? What was that? Just singing. What song were they even singing? Beautiful parking job. This is the best parking job in the world. COVID test, just that way? Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, babe.
Hey. Excuse me. God, it smells like a dog in here.
What's up, dog?
Nothing.
Yeah, no, same here.
I want to go see outside. Aw, Dylan, you're so cute.
Or film anyone that doesn't live with us. Of course
There's no Iron Threesome. Pretty good movie. Weird.
It's a documentary and it's
documentary. Hardly a documentary.
It's
It's all fake.
no.
Spoiler alert!
No.